Y'all niggas think I be capping. I'm convinced. Y'all niggas think I be capping. I don't do no line. I told y'all I was gonna be back. The whole month. We going up. No cap, nigga. Stop playing with me. Every day. Every day. And I got some good news. I got some good news. No cap. My fault, bro. It's hot. Hey. You subscribe yet? Hey, tell your man subscribe too. Tell your John subscribe too, man. Trying to get 100K before this year is over with. So let's get it. No care, Paul. We can do it, man. All you gotta do is press that button. You see, look. I'm not asking to put on the notice. You feel me? I'm not asking to put on the notification bell. You feel me? Just press the subscribe button. It's not even that hard. Like, you just slide down. You feel me? Right there, red button. Boop. Look, it's like this. Okay. Do that. That's all you gotta do, man. Oh, look. Or you can do this. See, you see it right there? The little picture. Tap that. Yeah. Do all that, man. No cap. No cap. Yeah, we lit. Take care, kids. Back at the bank. Back at the bank. I'm gonna be here so much. They don't even know my name. They gonna know my nickname. They gonna know me by Cameron Cool. I'm gonna be here so much, boy. No cap. Cause money coming in. Watch. Money coming in, so I stay at the bank. Might as well get a room here. Fuck it. Might as well. Yeah, every other day, nigga. Like every day. Money. Yes, sir. So don't think I'm a broke boy. Because I'm not. Stay here, nigga. Look, I'm finna show y'all. Let's get y'all thinking nigga playing. Let's see y'all think I'm lying or something. I ain't gotta lie. Okay.
Thank you. You have a good weekend.
You too, thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'm not lying. Back at the bank. Okay out. Best buy right now, bro. Invest in yourself. Okay, look, one thing about me, I'm an investor, nigga. You feel me? I'm an investor. One thing about me, I'm gonna invest. Trust that, no cap. Boy, they trying to scam me. No cap. It's like $40 online. But I really just want this. But they say it's 40. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm in confusion. Someone help me. Oh, look. Bro, invest in yourself, bro. Oh, snap. How rich. Subscribe. I'm trying to tell y'all, one of y'all subscribe right now. It's about to get lit. No cap. I'm telling you right now, it's about to get lit before it get lit. So don't tell you, I ain't tell you. I said don't tell you. Yeah, don't tell yourself, I ain't tell you, nigga. Subscribe right now, bro. It's about to be lit. It's about to get lit. Watch. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you niggas. Cause I warn you niggas right now. Right now. No cap. Hope you niggas listen.
Oh shit, what the fuck? He trying to buy shit, I'm trying to buy it. Nigga, hurry up. Hey, I almost killed that nigga.
Oh, shit, excuse me. I wanted to get that one. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Money. I got money now.
Oh, alright.
Tell that nigga if he get my shit, I'm gonna pop his ass. Look, no cap. Pause, cause you know this might be bothering. Yeah, nigga no, no cap. I nigga no, man. You know what I'm saying? That nigga, man, the fucking cap, bitch.
Money. Big money, don't care.
Did you want an upper section plate on the GoPro?
No, sir.
4/18/73.
Oh, shit. Alright. Yeah. Oh, bitch. Oh! Nigga, you saw that price? You saw that price, nigga. Oh, my. Well, that's not that much for an investment. But like I'm telling y'all right now, before it get lit, nigga, it's about to be real lit. Like, lit, no cap. It's about to be crazy. I'm about to go up. We going up now. We going up 100K. It's about to come quick. 100K. 10K, 100K, 5K, 50K, 25K, 20K. Yeah, all that. All that. Yeah, we on all that. No cap. We on all that. Yeah, so hold on. Let me see something. Oh, that bitch not working. We lit, boys. Look, y'all wanna see what I got, bro? I'm gonna show y'all. Hope I got enough footage, bro. No cap. Cause I'm dead ass. Bye, go up.
No cap.
Hey, you press that subscribe button yet? Bitch!